The Dunbar armored robbery is the largest cash robbery to have occurred in the United States. On September 12, 1997, 6 men robbed the Dunbar armored facility on Mateo Street in downtown Los Angeles, California of $18.9 million, equivalent to $31.9 million in 2021. The robbery was orchestrated by Alan Pace III of Compton, with childhood friends Eric Damon Boyd of Buena Park, Eugene Lamar Hill Jr. of Bellflower, Freddie Lynn McCrary Jr. of Arleta, Terry Wayne Brown Sr. of Los Angeles, and Thomas Lee Johnson of Las Vegas, Nevada. While the group left almost no evidence, Hill was implicated 2 years later when he accidentally gave a real estate broker a stack of cash bound with the original currency straps. The broker contacted the police. Hill confessed, implicating the 5 other robbers and 3 other men who had assisted in laundering the money. Pace was sentenced to 24 years in prison in 2001, Boyd was sentenced to 17 years, and the other 4 robbers received sentences ranging from 8 to 10 years. 2 of the men who assisted in money laundering were sentenced to 2.5 years. Alan Pace, initially claiming innocence, was arrested and sentenced to 24 years in prison on April 23, 2001, and was incarcerated at a federal correctional institution in Safford until his release on October 1, 2020. Another collaborator, Boyd, was sentenced to 17 years, due to his use of a gun and a prior criminal record. The 4 others, pleading guilty, received sentences between 8 and 10 years. Matsumoto was also implicated, resigning from the state bar. He and Bin were indicted on 71 counts related to money laundering and sentenced to 2.5 years. Less than half, $5 million, of the money was ever recovered, with some $13.9 million still unaccounted for. In September 2020, Charm City Kings producer Kaylee Pinkett announced a film based on the robbery.